morning, students. Let's start our next topic in word processing intermediate, that is inserting graphical objects and illustrations. So when you create a text document by using Word, you may require to insert some graphical illustrations. Graphics are added to textual documents to explain the contents visually and for better understanding through the diagrams. So why we insert the pictures? So that our documents look presentable. So there are methods to insert images in a document. First, we can insert an image from a file, or you can insert images from the Clipart. So let's discuss about each one by one. So first let's discuss about the inserting an image from a file. Inserting an image from a file means inserting a picture from your computer. It means you have to click on the insert tab. For that you have to click on the insert tab and then you have to go to the illustrations group and you'll get the picture option. See in this screenshot, insert tab, then you get the illustrations group, and in this you have to click on this picture option or the picture command. Then what happens? Step 2, the insert dialog box appears. So this dialog box will appear in your document window, that is insert picture dialog box. Then you have to browse the picture, which picture you want from which area. So you have to browse it and then you have to choose the desired picture and then you click to insert. Click on this insert button and the picture will be inserted into your document area. So this way we can insert an image from a file, means from our computer, that is stored in our computer. Next method is inserting images from Clipart. So first of all, what is Clipart? Clipart is a gallery where we have stored images in Microsoft Office package. So to insert a picture from Clipart, we need to follow certain steps. First of all, on the insert tab, again you have to go to the insert tab and then you have to move to the illustrations group and then the Clipart option, the next to the picture. Then what you have to do, as you click on this Clipart option on your document window, at the right side of the window you will see this area. In this you have to write a field name which picture you want to search. Suppose I have written here computer. In the search for field you have to write down the name of the picture you want to search and then you need to click on this go button. And as you click on the go button, the pictures will come in this area. And then how you can insert the picture from this area to your document window? You need to click on that drop down arrow. This arrow you can see, drop down arrow next to an image in the task pane, and then you have to select this option insert. You can see this option insert. Click on this option insert. The picture will be inserted in this area, or you can also use the option copy and then you can also paste it here in your document window. So as I have done in this next slide, you can see. So how you can do, you have to write here in the search for field like computer have written, then click on go and the images will come here. Then you have to right click in this, here the drop down arrow will come and then you will choose the option insert and the image will be inserted into your document window. So this was all about inserting images from a file or from the